Hi everyone, Mike from North52 here, and in today's video we will show a decision table that can create a quote from an invoice and then open that quote. So the business requirement for this scenario is as follows. A button needs to be added to the invoice form to trigger the formula. For the given invoice header, the formula must create a quote header. The formula must also loop over all the invoice line items and create quote line items attached to the previously created quote header record. To understand how this is done, the decision table can be broken into three sections: create quote sheet, create quote details, and open quote. So let's look at the create quote sheet first. So this sheet will create the quote using invoice fields. Note that as an invoice's potential customer can be a contact or an account, we will need two different rows, one for contact and one for account. So now let's look at the quote details. So this sheet will create the quote details from the invoice details. It will loop over all the invoice products and create an equivalent quote detail. There are two types of product, existing or write-in, so we will need a row for each. And finally, the open quote sheet. So this sheet will open up the quote that we have just created.
Okay, so now let's see this formula in action. So we'll go back to the invoice and we'll click the button, and you can see that it opens up the quote and its line items have transferred over to quote line items as well.
Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions about how North52 can help your organization, please get in touch. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button.